The 2025 Mazda CX-70, brought to you by Berge Mazda, boasts a sleek and modern design that seamlessly blends elegance with rugged appeal. Its sculpted body lines and bold front grille create a commanding presence on the road, while the LED headlights and taillights add a touch of sophistication. Available in a variety of striking colors and equipped with stylish alloy wheels, the CX-70 is designed to turn heads wherever it goes. The roof rails and available power liftgate enhance its practicality, making it as functional as it is beautiful. Mazda prioritizes safety in the CX-70, incorporating a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The available 360-degree camera system provides a comprehensive view of the vehicle's surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier. With its robust safety features, the CX-70 offers peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda CX-70 offers a choice of powerful and efficient engines, including a turbocharged option for those seeking extra exhilaration. The refined suspension system ensures a smooth and composed ride, while Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive provides enhanced traction and stability in various driving conditions. With responsive steering and agile handling, the CX-70 delivers a driving experience that is both engaging and enjoyable. Convenience is a key focus in the 2025 Mazda CX-70. Keyless entry and push buttons start to simplify access and ignition, while the hands-free power liftgate makes loading and unloading cargo effortless. The spacious cargo area accommodates a variety of storage needs, and the numerous storage compartments throughout the cabin keep essentials within reach. The multi-zone climate control system ensures that all occupants can enjoy their preferred temperature settings, enhancing overall comfort. The rear seats of the 2025 Mazda CX-70 are designed with passenger comfort in mind. Ample legroom and supportive cushioning make long journeys pleasant for backseat passengers. The 60/40 split-folding rear seats provide versatility, allowing for easy expansion of the cargo area when needed. Available features such as rear climate controls and USB charging ports ensure that backseat occupants stay comfortable and connected on the go. Inside the cockpit of the CX-70, a sophisticated and driver-focused cabin awaits. High-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship create an inviting atmosphere. The intuitive dashboard layout, along with the available leather-trimmed seats and ambient lighting, enhances the overall sense of luxury. The spacious interior offers plenty of headroom and legroom for all occupants, while the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, adding to the airy feel. The 2025 Mazda CX-70 is equipped with the latest technology to keep drivers and passengers connected and entertained. The center of the tech suite is the large, high-resolution infotainment display, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The available premium Bose sound system delivers exceptional audio quality, while the onboard navigation system ensures you always find your way. Additional features such as a wireless charging pad and a Wi-Fi hotspot enhance convenience. The 2025 Mazda CX-70 is a versatile and well-rounded SUV that excels in style, performance, and practicality. With its eye-catching exterior, refined interior, and advanced technology, it offers a premium driving experience. The focus on safety and convenience further enhances its appeal, making it an excellent choice for families and individuals alike. Whether you're commuting in the city or embarking on a weekend adventure, the Mazda CX-70 is designed to meet your needs with style and confidence. View our selection at bergemazda.com or give us a call at 480-4985-614.